What's going on, everyone? So here's my wife's 2017 Acura MDX, and I just swapped out the factory wheels here for these 20-inch Nichi. So basically they're the same size. The only difference is this is a 20 by 9 and those are a 20 by 8. But the stance on these, that extra inch definitely makes a difference in the stance. Sticks out just enough, nothing crazy. In my opinion, looks really nice. The black again looks good in my opinion. Gives it a little bit more sport. I was just gonna set up a video also about my wheels, see if I maybe put some black wheels on this car. Basically the same type of wheels. So you got the polish with the silver, the polish with the silver. And I also wanted to add in the torque. So it's a 94 pounds wheel torque on the MDX, and this, like I said earlier, this is a 2017. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.